Supersonic transport is designed to deliver passengers faster than the speed of sound. Unbeatable speed and breakthrough power are integral to supersonic intensive speed stripper. The AST Technology rapidly liquefies finish. It thoroughly emulsifies multiple burnished layers on both resilient surfaces such as VCT, as well as on non-resilient surfaces like terrazzo. Supersonic's highly active formula allows for high concentration ratios, and the controlled foam saves time and labor, which makes Supersonic a powerful and economic choice in a wide variety of facilities.